All right, so good day, welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. And as always, you guys know the support is very, very, very much appreciated, right? Kindly asking you guys to remember the YouTube stuff as well, to hit the likes button on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the content as well, because these are free and easy ways to support the channel. So you guys see the banner, you guys see the title of the video, right? I want to do this video because me know say me gonna hear about this during Copa. See, me gonna hear about it during Copa, and for be honest with you, me don't really want to hear about it during Copa. Me not gonna like it, right? And that is the issue of how the team plays. From a structured standpoint, from an aesthetical standpoint, meaning how it looks on the eyes, right? I know that during Copa America, me I go hear about this. Seeing Reggae Boyz fans I go up in arms about this. Seeing people, me I want to know from now. Seeing me I want to know from now. People, me don't want to hear nothing during Copa America when things start to look ugly. Seeing when we go Copa America and things start to look ugly, to be honest with you, me not really want to hear nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Seeing, me don't want to hear nothing, because the fact of the matter is, this tournament, this Copa America tournament, is no joke. This is no joke. This is the highest level of competition we have gone up against in a long time, probably since we played the last Copa America all them years ago. And if memory serves right, it was Schaefer. Seeing, me not really want to hear nothing about how the team look and how the team play at Copa America, ladies and gentlemen. Me I want to know from now, it now going to look good. It is not going to be aesthetically pleasing to the eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Me I telling you that from now. People, don't feel no way when you see the team go Copa America and start for war it out, and start for fight it out, and start for dog it out and scrap it out, and start for long ball it out. People, don't feel no way. Expect these things at the Copa America. This is what is going to have to happen for us to achieve any sort of results at the Copa America. I'm just being blunt. I am just being blunt. It's just the honest God Almighty truth. We know the history with Reggae Boyz already. We know how the team usually play already. We know the personnel we have coming up against this level of opposition. People, do not expect Jamaica's midfield to go to the Copa America and be able to compete toe-to-toe. It not gonna happen. It not gonna happen. We're not going to be able to compete in the midfield department with our South and Central American counterparts. It is not going to happen. It cannot happen. If we go Copa America and try and compete with these teams in the midfield department, the fact of the matter is we'll be overrun in the midfield. That is just facts. Relative to our South and Central American opponents, we lack the personnel, we lack the structure, we lack the technical ability, we lack the creativity, we lack everything that a midfield would require relative to our South and Central American opponents to be able to compete with them in the midfield department. That is just facts. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. I'm not trying to be negative, but I think it's very important for just settle this from now. I don't want to hear about it during Copa America. Oh, the team are playing so give me this, give me that. People, I don't want to hear about it. Honest to God, I don't want to hear about it. Plus, you also have to factor into the equation as well that them Central and South American teams, them know how to play ball. Them know how to roll the leather, people. We don't know how to play ball. We don't know how to roll leather. We learn this thing if we are the honest God Almighty truth. We are not known to be a ball playing nation. We are learn this thing. Now, with all of that being said, me don't want nobody for feel like say, yo, me I say the team cannot get results at Copa America. Seeing that is not what I'm saying. We can get results at Copa America, right? But in order to do so, we have to go scrap it out. We are not going to get results at the Copa America in a manner that is aesthetically pleasing. It not go happen. People, me not even think me I break the news. You don't know what me I talk about. It is not going to happen. You see the midfield where we are bring. You see the midfield where we are bring go Copa America. With that midfield, ladies and gentlemen, forget results. We have to go dog it out. It's as simple as that. We have to go dog it out. People, when you look on the thing in perspective, right? When you put the thing in context, ladies and gentlemen, and you look at the opposition that will be coming up against in our group, right? They are bringing Premier League players, Premier League starters to the Copa America, right? Them are bring Liga MX starters. They are bringing Brazilian League starters, right? They are bringing players starting in European, in incredible and top leagues in Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, our midfield pack up with JPL baller and USL baller and English League One baller. So tell me now, how that match that add up? How you expect the team? How you expect the midfield component, the midfield department to compete with their Central and South American counterparts? Me I telling the people it now go happen. So when the thing start to get scrappy and start to get ugly and the team now roll no leather as we are saying in Jamaica, I don't want to hear about it, to be honest with them. I don't want to hear the gaffer this and the gaffer that, because this is what we should expect going into a tournament like this, going into a tournament of this magnitude. This is what we should expect. And boy, if you expect anything else, as Roy Keane would have said on Sky Sports, you're living in cuckoo land. See? Anyways, knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.